Okay. Yeah. Morning all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, where the screen is visible or not, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So in the last class, this was the last discussion, right? Fundamental data types, 5 types. Integer, float, boolean, string, and complex. Collection data types, 4 types, right? List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List represented by using square bracket, tuple by using normal braces, set by using curly braces, dictionary by using key and value format, right? Yes. Okay. Today my discussion will be on string. String. A string, a string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented, right? In Python, a string is represented using, yes, single quote, double quote, single quote, double quote, triple quote. Single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Each character of a string, is identified by a unique index. Each character of a string is identified accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index or positive index. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Okay. There are two types of indexes. Forward index or positive. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Second, like backward index. negative index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1 here. Index starts with -1. Yes, to understand this string, right? X equal to Python, Python, sequence collection of characters. So here Python, one object gets created. Is going to occupy some address. The address is given to X. Indexing, if you talk right, forward index or backward index for string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we call like forward index. Or positive index. -1, -2, -3, -5, -6. Negative index, this backward index. Okay. String supports two types of indexes, forward index or positive index, backward index or negative index. Forward index starts from left to right, backward index starts from right to left. Now observe. So everyone try to answer for this. What is the value of X is your string? X is the string. X of 2 is what? X of 2 value is what?
T.
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 X of -3 is what?
H.
H. H.
X of -3 is H. When you are able to access using positive index, why again negative index is required? When you are able to access characters by using positive index, why again negative index is required? Means if you have got a very big string of more than 100 characters, I want to print the last character by using positive index. Using positive index, print the last character. So if we say X of -1, right? It prints the last character. So you can just go with the negative indexing. Okay. So multi-line comments in Python start with triple quote, end with triple quote. It's not executable, right? Okay, X equal to Python. Print X. Type of X is what type? What you are trying to assign to X. Type of X is str. Str string type. Len of x. Len of x means number of characters within the string. What is the length?
6.
6.
6. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Print x plus y. X plus y. We call this as concatenation. Concatenation. Concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings means first string followed by second string. Adding two strings, first string followed by second string. First string followed by second string. Observe this output. Run. Let's run module. Check this. Python plus programming. Python programming you got right. But I want space between Python and programming. You add three strings. X is Python. Y is programming. Between the two strings, one empty string, right? One empty string. Python programming you got right? Yes. Okay. Next is like string slicing. We've got a lot of discussion on string, right? String indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, string special characters, right? Yes. String slicing. Extracting particular portion of a string. For example, x equal to Python program. Extract only Python from this. Everyone try to answer. Extract only Python from this. Print, yes. X of
X of 0 to
0, 1, 2,
6.
3,
6.
4, 5. 0 colon
6.
6.
0 to 6. 6 means it's actually 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, right?
Only 5, sir.
5. But this is lower bound, this is upper bound. 0 to 6 only we should give, but upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Means 6 excluded, up to 5 only it will consider. What is the output? Python you get. Okay, next is string slice. Next, for example, I want to extract the middle portion of the string, these 4 characters. Extract PROG. Extracting PROG. Yes. Try to say it, everyone. Print X of
7:11.
7 colon. Everyone try to answer. Everyone.
11.
Yeah, 7 to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10. Make it 11. 7 to 11.
Yeah, can you do from -4 to -8?
Yeah, using negative indexing, can anyone say what is that? X of
-8.
wrong. Using negative index means -1.
-3
Okay,
to
okay.
-4.
Okay, before that, try to answer this, right? I'll come back to this negative indexing. If 7 to 11 means PROG, you get 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 means 11 excluded, up to 7 to 10 considered. Even this blank space also takes one index. 7 to 11 means 11 excluded, 7 to 10 is considered. Right. Now check. This. Yes. But what if I do in the opposite way? X of 11 to 7, if I say yes, everyone try to answer. 7 to
Not
11,
allow.
PROG. 11 to 7 means
It will not allow. Right? Null.
print. What is it? Empty string will be printed. Empty string. Empty string. Because always slicing in the forward direction. In the forward direction. Because always slicing in the forward direction. If you go in the backward direction, it gives empty string. If you go in backward direction, it gives empty string. Check it whether you got empty string or not. Run model. Empty string, empty string. It's printing empty string.
Yeah.
Now try to answer for this. Extract PROG using negative index. Everyone try to give your responses.
-7, -3. Colon.
So using a negative index also, you should go in forward direction only, right? If -3 to -8 means you are going backward direction. So -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7 to
-3.
yes. Minus here, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. -3 you need to give. -3 excluded. Yes. Okay. Observe this output, it will extract PROG. Yes. -7 to -3. Extract the entire word program using positive index now. Everyone. Extract the entire word program using positive index. You say me first. Print. Yes, everyone. X of
0, comma,
program. Programming starts with 7 colon. Everyone. 7 you want, 8 you want, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I give 13, right?
14.
7 colon. It will start from 7 and print. We just click the button.
Okay. Extract program extra level 7 to 13. If I give 13 excluded, so 14 index not available, but okay, 14 excluded. We are not trying to access 14 is excluded. Up to 13 will consider, right? Program you get. Yes, otherwise the shortcut print X of 7 colon, don't provide the upper bound from 7th index to it reads up to the end of the string. These both are fine. Now using negative index, try to say anyone. Yes, everyone, you need to keep responding, right? You can unmute yourself or through voice or through chat, right? You can give your response. I want using negative index.
-7 colon without anything.
Don't provide the upper bound. This is the only choice, right?
Yeah.
Extract. Is it valid if I say like this? Print if I ignore this lower bound. If I ignore this lower bound, right? And if I use 6, is it valid?
That may print 0 to
Means it is going to read from the start of the string to 6th index. 6 excluded. Means this and this both are same, right? If you are ignoring lower bound, it reads from the start. If you are ignoring the upper bound, it reads up to the end of the string. x of 0 to, can I say like this? If I ignore both lower and upper bounds, if I ignore both lower and upper bounds, that what is that output?
Print the complete string.
Complete string. Is it compulsory that I need to provide space here?
No.
All right. Print x of, without any spaces also it works. If we say print x also it works. Print x of 0. Navin GI, be in mute. Print x of 0 to remaining. So all these outputs results the same output, right? Python program. Right. Can I take the combination of positive and negative index like this? X of -7 to 11, is it valid? Combination of negative and positive index. -7
No.
indicates P, 11 indicates R, right? P2 S. -7 indicates P and R indicates 11. PROG is the output from here to here, right? Going in the forward direction only, right? Executes that. PROG will be the output. Okay. Now print x of 0:14:2. What is the output you get for this? This first one is what? Start value, stop value, and step value. Start value, stop value,
Displayed
and
2 times.
0 to 14 with the increment of 2. Means 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, 12 index. Zero to 14 with the increment of 2. 0 to 4, 6, 8 means 0 indicates P, next T, O space R G A. That is what the even valued characters, right? Yes. Yes. What is the output if I give in this way? Print x of ::(-1). Sorry. ::(2). What is the output you get for this?
Same.
Same. These two results the same, right? 0 to 14 means this 2. Same output you get. These two results the same output, right? X of ::(-1) means it reverses the elements. Reverses the string. reverses the string. Now, have you heard about the term palindrome? What is palindrome? If we reverse
We
a
get the same word even after reversing that one.
if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Example of palindrome?
Madam,
Yes.
Really?
MADA, madam. If you reverse also, you will get the same output.
Malayalam.
Yes. Malayalam.
dad,
Yeah.
Really?
NITIM. If you reverse also, you will get the same output, right? Yes. Yes. All this, right? Example MADAM, madam. Print X, it prints the same thing, right? Yes. X of colon minus 1, right? X of colon minus 1. Store the result in Y. Print Y. Run module. Yes. If both are printing the same, right? It's a palindrome. This is reversing a string. This is normal. If both X and Y are same, then it's a palindrome. File, new file. String methods. We have got string methods, right? String methods. First one, upper. To print in uppercase, right? To print in uppercase. X equal to HY. No need to write huge codings here in Python. You have got many methods are available, functions are available for performing these operations. X equal to print X dot upper. Check it. Control S. Next, just like upper, we have got lower. To print in lowercase. See the output of the previous one, run model. Hyderabad was in lower. It's printing in uppercase. Lower X equal to Mumbai. Print X dot lower. Printing Mumbai in lower. Yes. One more bracket, right? Yes, it's printing Mumbai in lowercase. Next, for example, observe this output, right? INDIA, India. What is that? X equal to India. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Try to say yes. X dot capitalize. That's it. X dot capitalize means only the first character I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Comment. This one is comment. Only the first character I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower case. Next. Capitalize. What is that? Capitalize. For capitalizing the first character. For capitalizing the first character of a string. India, right? Yes. Now, for example, next. Good morning, Hyderabad. Yes. I want in this line, how many words are there? 3 words, right? Every word, first character I want in uppercase. Every word, first character means G in uppercase I want, M in uppercase, H in uppercase. So I can say X dot title, that's it. Check it now. Yes. Every word, first character in the uppercase. What is that? Title. For capitalizing the first character of each word. G. Okay. Employee, for example, employee names are like this. Where can this title be useful means, right? Employee names are like this. Rahul, Ajay, James, Miller. In this way, Okay. Print. EMPS. I want each and every employee name, first character in uppercase, first character in the uppercase. EMPS dot title. EMPS dot title, right? You can see every word, first character in the uppercase. Rahul, Ajay, James, Miller, Amar, Anthony.
How does it treat every word? Is it only space or comma? Any
Whatever-
delay?
Yes, yes. Any space or comma, any separator, whatever it is,
Okay.
it takes. Excuse me. Swap case. Converts one case to another. It converts one case to another case. It reverses the case. Means if it is in upper, converts to lower. If it is in lower, converts to upper. X dot swap case. It was in lower, converts to upper. Mm. Okay. Next, we have got a method. We have got many methods. No need to write the code for it. Right. Replace. For replacing a portion. For replacing a portion of a string.
Swap case only convert to uppercase or lower also?
If it is in upper, if you have got combination of both lower and upper, right?
Okay.
All upper will be converted to lower, all lower will be converted
Okay.
to
Okay.
swaps the case.
Okay.
I'm saying like Java is easy. Print X dot replace. Replace the word Java with Python. What is the output you will get? Python is easy. So here, for example, Java is easy and Java is simple. If I say, will it replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python, or only the first occur Java will be replaced with Python?
Replacing all occurrences.
Replace all occurrence, right? Now you will get Python is easy and Python is simple. Okay. We have got a method like count method, count. To count, the number of occurrences. of a substring or a character. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character. I'll take a general string, right? Hello, hello, hello. I'm taking a normal string, right? Yes. How are you? Print x dot count, x dot count. Count of hello means how, what is the output? 3. Count of character h, yes. How, what is that? X dot count of the character
Four.
h. Count of h is what?
4.
4, right? Yes. Count of hello is 3. Yes. 4 and 3. Next. One more example, right? One more example I will take. I'll take data, multiple lines of string, paragraph I will take. I'll take a paragraph. For example, within the C drive, within the C. Okay, 10 lines I got, right? Here. Okay, Control C. I'll copy this data. I want of a particular word. Control V. Yes. Data dot print. I want data dot count of Python. I want the count of Python here, right? What is the count of Python? 10 lines, 10 times Python repeated. Count will be what? 10. In 10 lines. Count of Python is what? 10 lines? 10. Run market. Check it. Run market. For example, this last two doesn't have this. Python is case sensitive. Okay. These two are in lower cases. What is the count you will get? 8. Because here lowercase p. But I want the count of Python, right? But I want the count of Python means convert everything into lowercase first. After that, you count of Python. X data dot lower means everything first convert to lowercase, and now everything count of Python. Now this is fine. This is fine, right? Yes. It works. Lower dot count dot Python. Run module. Check it. Yes, 10. Count of Python. Count of Python is 10. Data dot. Any query was asked?
Sir, how to replace the first occurrence?
1 second. No, this replace method can replace by using regular expressions. You can do that.
Is there any options for case insensitive method?
What is it? Case sensitive?
Is there any method for case insensitive so that without applying lower or upper, get that?
No. You need to convert into lower and then you need to apply. Either it should be in upper or lower. If it is a combination of both upper lower, no, you cannot
Okay.
get the actual count. Either you convert to upper or lower and perform count.
Okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
can you go back to str2.py?
Yes.
So here, when step counter is set to 2, then why it didn't count its space?
Which one? Which example? This one?
This one. Yeah.
This one. This one. What do you mean? What is the output of this?
It should be,
Entire string.
yes.
Here also entire string, but the increment of 2.
But can you run this?
Run module.
Yes.
Same output.
See, but sir, it should count space, right?
Yes,
In Python program, but it is not counting.
space counted, right? Here, take it, check it.
Okay. Sorry, sir. My mistake. I thought it should be PORM, but this is okay.
Okay, replace someone else, right? Replace. Replace, right? The word replacing a portion of a string. Java is there. Replace Java with which word? Python. Wherever Java occurs, there Python should. That is replaced with Python. Okay. Python is easy, Python is simple. Replace is what? Replacing a portion. Java is Java with Python. So in this way, not only this upper, lower, capitalized, title, swap case, replace, count. We have got like format method, find method, strip method, join method is. In this way, many more methods are there. We have got a lot more discussion on these strings. Not only methods, string functions available, string special characters available. So yes, so that I'll be discussing tomorrow. Tomorrow the link will be changing, right? Yes, you need to get enrolled to attend this, right? So get enrolled, and tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards, you'll be getting the video to your Google Drives. That's a class soft copy of the classroom notes you'll be getting. Tomorrow a WhatsApp group is going to get created. New link you will be getting to your mail IDs. Everyone, you will be getting the link to your mail IDs. And don't forget to send the screenshot of your payments to online DURGASOFT online training, right? At @gmail.com. Already you can see in the chart. And even in the chart, you can see the total payment process and procedures they have provided, and also like content provided, demo videos, their demo videos link is provided, content is provided, right? Yes. Any queries, right? Anyone? Yes.
So when this recorded class videos will be available?
So already in the chart panel, you can see an access, and from tomorrow onwards in the Google Drive also it will be available.
Today's class, like as soon as the class gets completed, they'll post it or they'll take the next day.
You should, once you get enrolled, right? If you're enrolled, immediately you can see it.
Okay.
The Google Drive. By tomorrow you can see all those, right? And the WhatsApp link will be provided, right? If anything, if you're not getting, you can just ping me.
On that Google Drive, whatever you teach till date, that notes also shared, no?
Yeah, notes also we will be getting.
Okay, thank you.
How you are getting two screens in ideally? I'm getting only once. Nothing in ideally, only one screen only, right? But whenever you say run model, output screen will come. Output screen. That I am just dragging side by side. I'm dragging it to side. That's it. Just you hold your mouse and drag it. Yes. Fine. So if I'm done with your queries, if there are no other queries, I'll sign off for now. Meet you tomorrow. Same at 8 o'clock, but the link will be different, right? Yes. Fine. Yeah. Some question you asked, right? How are you getting run? You're not getting run option. Go to file and say new file. Go to file and say new file, right? Now have you got the run option? Yes, okay. Fine. Replace, what is there in that replace, right? Wherever replace the word Java with Python. Wherever Java occurs, Python. Yes. Himaja, right? Replace function. Wherever replace which word? Java. With which word you want to replace? Python. For example, one more. For x equal to Sachin is a good batch. Sachin is a I want to replace Sachin. Print x dot replace the word. Which word you want to replace Sachin? With which word you want? Kohli. In the output, what is the output you get? Kohli is a good player you get. Check it. X is the string replacing Sachin. Run module. Kohli is a good player. Okay, fine. I'm stopping here. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you all for your time. Thank you and meet you tomorrow, right?
Thank you.